Welcome to 3D Print Pulse, your essential weekly update from the cutting edge of 3D printing and additive manufacturing. Every week, we bring you the most important news and developments. The episodes are crafted by All3DP's expert editors and voiced by text-to-speech so that we can go hunting for news again. Ready for the latest? Let's dive right in.
Multicolor printing usually means owning a multicolor system or buying extra hardware like the Bamboo AMS or Prusa MMU, and then printing with the 4 or 5 colors you currently have loaded. But a brand new community-developed software fork is turning that limitation on its head, unlocking color combinations without having to upgrade your printer. All3DP's Matthew Mensley recently tested a new slicer variant called SnapMaker Orca Full Spectrum. This custom fork takes the 4 base filaments loaded into your 3D printer and uses them to paint your models with entirely new virtual colors. The secret? The slicer doesn't actually mix the physical plastics together. Instead, it relies on a concept called transmission distance, the same principle that allows vibrant, multicolor prints when you use tools like HueForge. By alternating thin layers of different colored filaments or using slightly translucent materials, light passes through the layers and interacts with both colors before reflecting back to your eye. When printed at fine layer heights, a rapidly alternating stack of, let's say, red and yellow layers, is naturally perceived by the human eye as a blended orange. In the slicer, you simply add virtual colors by adjusting the ratio between your physically loaded spools. The software then generates a complex recipe to alternate the material layers. As of today, it runs on the multi-tool head printer SnapMaker U1, but the results can be exported to other machines like the Prusa XL2. While the feature is still in active development on GitHub, the developer is already working on advanced Z-dithering to vary layer heights for even more precise material blending ratios. It is a brilliant optical illusion and a feature we will hopefully see adopted by mainstream slicers very soon.
Imagine walking into your local pharmacy, and instead of a technician counting out pills from a massive stock bottle, the pharmacist simply hits print. That futuristic scenario is already happening across the United States. All3DP's Carolyn Schwar reports that UK-based company FabRX is aggressively expanding its desktop-sized pharmaceutical 3D printers directly into local pharmacies. Thanks to a new strategic partnership with Pete Pharma and pharmacy technology startup Atrium24, this technology is moving out of research labs and into commercial environments. FabRX has spent over a decade developing its MediMaker series, specialized 3D printers that use interchangeable print heads to extrude liquids, powders, and pastes into precise pharmaceutical dosage forms like chewables, troches, and extended-release tablets. For local pharmacies, this tech is a massive game changer. Traditional compounding is a notoriously tedious, hands-on process of measuring and filling capsules manually. Automating this workflow with a digital manufacturing system guarantees consistent, highly accurate dosing and provides exact digital traceability. Crucially, it unlocks the holy grail of customized healthcare, personalized medicine. Pharmacists can digitally control dose sizes and drug combinations, tailored to an individual patient's exact needs.
For decades, automakers have treated 3D printing primarily as a prototyping tool, a way to test a design before committing to expensive, traditional steel molds. But BMW is ripping up that old playbook. The German automotive giant, who started adapting AM in 1990, is aggressively scaling its additive manufacturing operations, aiming to completely integrate 3D printing into its series production ecosystem by 2027. The heart of this revolution is BMW's additive manufacturing campus, located just outside of Munich. Since the facility opened in 2020, it has churned out over 1.6 million 3D printed components for brands spanning from Mini and BMW Motorrad all the way up to Rolls-Royce. And that doesn't even count the 100,000 components produced annually at decentralized BMW plants around the globe. BMW is leaning heavily into automated, digitally connected process chains and open material systems. This allows them to seamlessly weave large-scale polymer and metal 3D printers directly into existing assembly lines. The goal here isn't just to make customized, limited edition trim pieces. The company recently integrated fully automated metal 3D printing lines and is actively developing wire arc additive manufacturing to print large, load-bearing structural components. According to Timo Goebel, the head of the additive manufacturing campus, scaling this technology means BMW can produce larger parts with better physical properties in a fraction of the time.
And now a word from our sponsor.
Are you an engineer or designer looking for high-precision CNC parts? Tired of waiting for manual quotes? Stop waiting. Craftcloud is your solution for instant on-demand CNC machining. Upload your CAD file, select from a wide range of materials, and instantly compare real-time quotes worldwide. Get the best price on precision parts, from rapid prototypes to mass production. We offer 3-axis and 5-axis milling, turning, and more. No minimum orders, just transparent pricing, fast delivery, and expert service. Craftcloud. We turn your CNC ideas into reality.
Can artificial intelligence finally turn a simple 2D photograph into a flawless 3D printable model? To find out, All 3DP's Carolyn Schwar put the newly updated Meshy 6 platform to the test. Armed with a Pro subscription, she pushed the AI to its limits using complex real-world reference photos and cartoon drawings to see if the hype finally matches the reality. Meshy is designed to bridge the gap between digital creativity and physical manufacturing, allowing anyone to bypass complex CAD software. You simply upload reference photos, and the AI spits out a fully textured 3D model in seconds. It even features direct export buttons for popular slicers like Bamboo Studio and Cura, or a print and ship option that routes your design to a full-color 3D printing service if you don't own your own machine. But the results were definitely a mixed bag. When Carolyn uploaded multiple angles of the famous Bavaria statue in Munich, she expected the AI to stitch them together like professional photogrammetry software. Instead, Meshy treated it like batch processing, delivering several different AI interpretations of the statue, including one where a lion companion had 2 tails. Another test using a 2D cartoon of a unicorn yielded an impressively volumetric 3D model, but it accidentally generated a 5th leg. Crucially, there is currently no way to edit or fix these geometric hallucinations once the model is generated, though Meshy says manual editing tools are on their roadmap for later this year.
And now, the news bulletins. Japanese startup Hybex has launched the HX Lens, a 3D printed running shoe aiming to rival the Adidas 4DFWD. Instead of standard foam, it uses a patented helix metamaterial midsole lattice. This structure compresses and rotates forward upon impact, mechanically converting vertical landing forces into horizontal propulsion. Interestingly, both Hybex and Adidas rely on Silicon Valley-based carbon and its digital light synthesis resin printing. The HX Lens is available now through the company's official store. Prusa Research has upgraded its community referral program to offer cash vouchers alongside its traditional Prusameters currency. Verified Prusa owners can now earn a stackable $30 store voucher for every qualifying 3D printer purchased through their unique link, rather than just earning house points. New buyers also receive perks, like a free spool of Prusament PETG. Finnish startup Bark & Soul is using 3D printing to tackle a notorious pet owner challenge, dog shoes that actually stay on. By measuring their dog's paws with calipers, owners can order custom-engineered footwear tailored to their pup's unique geometry, dew claw placement, and gait mechanics.
That's it from the weekly roundup from the world of 3D printing. As usual, you can find all the links in the show notes. Thank you to our sponsor Craftcloud, and remember, you can always find more in-depth articles, reviews and guides at all3dp.com. Don't forget to subscribe and leave us a rating or review. It really helps us to bring these updates to even more 3D printing enthusiasts like you. Join us next week for another rapid-fire update. Until then, happy printing!